You do not need to be a programmer to build a game in 2025. Like, seriously, you can build a full-on publishable game without writing a single line of code. Let's talk about how. Game dev without code exists because of tools like Unity with visual scripting, Unreal Engine with blueprints, GDevelop, Construct 3, and GameMaker. These tools let you drag and drop logic blocks like you're building with Lego. Want the player to jump? Drag a when space is pressed block, connect it to a jump action. Done. No semicolons, no debugging, no errors saying expected curly bracket. Just logic that works. And the games built with these tools, they're not some potato quality projects. There are actual games on Steam and mobile app stores right now made with no-code engines, making real money. You don't even need to draw the graphics yourself. There are free asset stores, 2D sprites, sound effects, music packs, everything. If you can Google, drag and drop, you're already ahead of 90% of people who want to build a game someday. So why isn't everyone doing this? Because most people think making games is writing code plus 5 years of college plus sacrificing your soul to the bug gods. That's outdated. Game development in 2025 is way more accessible. You could literally open up GDevelop today and have a playable prototype in 2 hours. And then iterate, polish, export to Android, web, Windows, Steam, whatever you want. Of course, once your game gets more complex, you'll hit limits. But the point is, you can start today. You don't have to wait. So stop saying, I wish I could make a game. You can. With the tools that exist now, you have zero excuses. Pick one tool, build something simple, finish it, and publish it. Even if it's basic, you'll learn more doing that than watching 10 tutorials on YouTube. Making games isn't just for engineers anymore. It's for storytellers, designers, dreamers. If you've got an idea, there's no better time than now to make it real. No code required.